Do you want to create dynamic donut chart like this? First select the data and go to Insert tab. Now select the donut chart. Drag this chart over there. Now adjust size of the chart. And delete chart title and legend entry. Go to the Format tab and select the text box. Insert inside the donut chart. Now go to the formula bar type in equals to and then select actual value. Increase the font size of the text and align text so that it is canted between the top and bottom of the text box. Double-click on orange color and change it to gray. Now your donut chart is ready. Do not forget to subscribe, like and follow for daily tips.